The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Thursday morning? Got a big bright moon still right over me here. It's 10 minutes after 4 o'clock here in East Montgomery with 73 degrees and a dew point of 67. So the humidity's starting to come up a little bit. Our friend the birds are still here. You hear them? Okay, you're on the video. Thanks, they stopped. We have some heat to talk about, some extreme heat. Heat indices well into triple digits over the next few days. We'll tell you when the heat will peak. We'll tell you about the return of showers into the forecast gradually. And I'm going to be hinting about something in the Gulf of Mexico, maybe as early as the 4th of July weekend. All right, let's start talking about it. Here's your morning weather briefing.
Big protective bubble of high pressure covering us, but look at all the severe weather to the north. Places like Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia. It's a very busy morning, and so lots of watches and warnings in effect. That's heading for the Middle Atlantic coastal region. The Storm Prediction Center has a enhanced risk of severe weather from the Ohio Valley into the Middle Atlantic coastal region today. Busy day yesterday, 18 tornadoes in Illinois, lots of severe weather and wind damage reports from the Midwest to the Middle Atlantic coast. But for us, it's dry, it's hot. It's quiet, mostly sunny with a high around 96, heat index 100 or higher. Tonight's low 72, southwest winds 4 to 8 miles per hour. Looking ahead tomorrow, how about upper 90s? You see those showers and storms trying to sneak into north and northeast Alabama. We're still dry here. Heat index will be 105 to 110 Saturday with maybe an isolated storm somewhere in the area. Highs near 100. We'll be in the neighborhood anyway. Scattered thunderstorms Sunday. The rain chances start to pick up as the storms increasing in number, high in the upper 90s. And showers and thunderstorms much more likely on Monday in the area with temperatures in the mid-90s. So this is the way we're going to call it. 96 today, 98 tomorrow, 100 on Saturday. And 20% chance of an afternoon storm Saturday, 30% chance Sunday. Sunday's high in the upper 90s. Monday's high in the mid-90s with rain chances picking up to at least 40% by then. Beach forecast, it's cooler there by several degrees because of the onshore flows. Southerly winds off the cooler Gulf water now at 84. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of a few thunderstorms by Sunday afternoon. Low rip current risk listed from the Weather Service. Now we're looking way into the future. This is the European on July 2nd. And coming out of the Yucatan, something tropical. Now both global models are saying something tropical is going to happen in the Gulf by around July 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, somewhere in there. Where will it end up? I'm not going to speculate right now. Here is the 10-day European forecast showing extreme heat Friday and Saturday, and then chance of a few thunderstorms starting to pop up Sunday, Monday, but a better rain chance on the 4th of July weekend, according to the 10-day European. Now, the temperatures from the GFS continue to be too extreme, 100 Friday, 103 Saturday. It's not going to be that hot, but the point is we're just looking at trends. Notice how the temperatures start to go down, and by 4th of July weekend, highs maybe only in the 80s with stormier weather around. Here's the European temperatures. I like these numbers better. 98 Friday, that looks good. 100 Saturday, that's what I have. 101 Sunday, that's probably too high, maybe upper 90s on Sunday, but then it starts to quell after that. And look at this. The Climate Prediction Center shows the heat shifting to the western U.S. as we get towards the 4th of July weekend and beyond. And temperatures in our area will start to fall. So the heat will peak for us Friday and Saturday, but I see some more tolerable weather ahead.
Hey, take it easy. Stay hydrated during this heat. Obviously, don't cut the lawn at 12 noon. Make sure your pets have plenty of shade and water during this extreme heat as well. Bailey and I are about to take over. You ready for your walk, Bailey? We're about to do that here in a little while, and then heading to work at the Blue Water Weather Center, where we will be streaming live at 11 o'clock this morning with your regular update. And we have a brand new tower cam that can overlook this, the traffic on I-85 and all around the central part of the city of Montgomery. Check that out later on this morning. I'll be live on the radio as well, and your next complete video by tomorrow morning, Friday morning at 5 o'clock. Have a great day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.